Fare compare review watch before using. Finding the cheapest flights can feel impossible, and most travelers get this wrong. They check one site and assume the price is final. Fare compare is a flight comparison and travel alert platform designed to help you find the best deals. The surprising truth is that it aggregates prices from multiple airlines, not just OTAs, and provides historical fare insights. You won't believe how much you can save with the right alerts. Here's how it works. Fare Compare searches multiple airlines and online travel agencies to display current fares. Users can set up price alerts for specific routes, and the platform will notify you when prices drop. For example, if you're planning a New York to London trip, Fare Compare can track fares for weeks and alert you when a cheaper option appears. Another feature is fare analytics. Most people get this wrong. They assume the lowest price today is the lowest possible. Fare Compare shows trends, helping you decide whether to buy now or wait. It also provides tips like best days to fly or optimal booking windows. However, there are considerations. Some low fares require flexible schedules or additional fees. Most people assume the platform books flights directly. It redirects to airline or OTA sites, so you still need to complete the purchase externally. In conclusion, Fare Compare is a valuable tool for travelers seeking affordable flights. With alerts, price insights, and comparisons, it helps you make informed decisions and avoid overpaying. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of travel tools.